to us with basically an orange peel effect on his vehicle. He tried to paint it himself, which it turned out all right, but you could definitely see, you know, the orange peel and then some hot spots on the paint. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come through here and we're gonna wet sand with a couple different grits, starting with 1,000 grit. We're gonna go up to 1,500, and then we're gonna go up to 2,000 grit. So right here, I'm just putting my polisher flat on the paint, and then here you can see the dial. We're gonna turn it to about 2 to spread it out. What that does is it gets us a nice even coat of compound on the area that we're gonna work on. Next, I'm gonna put my polisher back on the paint, and then we're gonna change the dial to speed 5, and then we're just going to go in crosshatch patterns until we feel that the job's done, and then we're going to wipe it away and see where we are. So after you do the compound stage and the alcohol wipe after doing the compound, you're going to take a medium cut polishing pad and some polish, and then you're going to go ahead and start polishing the paint.